blue. It's 3 p.m. and it becomes rainy since, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes since we came out from the dive. The roundup of the dive is bad visibility, cold water is still coming up, and it brings a lot of nutrition, so that's why everything is simply blooming in the warm water. But anyways, average water temperature is still 28 degrees. We did around 70-minute dive, and it was in the end, it was like a little bit chilling. Hello, 6:50 in the morning and time for some technical dives. Now we have some cool mornings already. The hottest time is gone, maybe not, but we'll see, maybe it's coming back. But like October and all the way up to this point was really hot, and now it feels way better. After the rains it became a little bit cooler. 2 but long dives. The first one I did with a pier, and we did Ghos Bay, 55-meter dive, no current, nothing really extraordinary, just simply we practicing with all these depths and trying to adapt for all the narcosis. And it's getting better, way better than previously. Then we did another dive with Leo and Sasha, Simon dives, Jemeluk wall. Again, the wall is beautiful and the end of the dive is even more beautiful. You can watch another episode where it's better visibility than today. The name of that episode is Little Rajampat. That time when we did the dive, that was a way better visibility. When we did the first dive at 55 meters, the water temperature was 27 degrees. But you know, when your dive is 1.5 hours, then it's kind of chilling a little bit. We have to think about the new wetsuits for me and Laura. Laura's wetsuit is done, mine I'm wearing at the moment my free diving, which is not really right. It's really hard to put it on because it's open tissue that sticks on your body, and it's really hard to get it on. Tomorrow diving again. Tomorrow Laura will be busy with one dive and I will be busy with the Simon guys again. We'll try to find some good places to have some fun, something new for the guys. They are not really familiar with all these dive sites in Amed. They're living 40 kilometers from here, so that's why everything I offer them, that's kind of new for them. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you on the next video again. Bye.